Hi guys, and welcome to BRW tutorials. In this tutorial, I have a show on how you can set location-based pricing plan for transportation business. Now, let's get into this video. Location-based pricing plan is suitable for transportation business. First, you go over products, add new. Add the name of the product. Go to Product Data tab, select Rental. Move on Rental Type top, select Transportation. Go to Location Price. To set location price, you have to create locations. To create locations, first you go to the dashboard. Go over Location, add new location. You can add unlimited locations. Then you go to all location in dashboard. You can see the list of locations that you have already created, and you can edit and delete any location that you want. To set location price, there are two ways. The first way, set location price manually. The second way, set location price via CSV file. We go to the first way. First, you go over products, all products. Select car one. You go to location price tab. Then you set location price. We move on the second way, set location price via CSV files. First, you go over products, import locations. Choose product. You choose CSV file terminal for that is applicable for transportation rental type to download. We set pickup location, drop-off location, time, and price. Then you upload the file. Click on the import button. Move on location price. All information in the file is inserted here, so you can change information. Click here and check out the product page. Suppose a customer moved from Ohio to New York, so he said pickup location. So he said Ohio pickup location and New York drop-off location. So he has to pay $50. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please leave it down below in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again in the next video.